All hooked up, ready to do the quiescent current and midpoint voltage adjustments. So I'm down here, I'm connected to the test point, so I've cut the link and connected the two leads there. This lead underneath is connected to the junction of the two resistors in the back there. I think it's R19, R20. I've got my ground lead coming off of the back. I've shorted the input to ground on the base of this plug. And I've got everything hooked up and turned on, and this is the readings I've got. So let's just zoom out a little bit. I should have 8.85 on the midpoint voltage, and I should have 4 milliamps on the quiescent current. Well, we're nothing like that, and that's not a million miles off, but it's still a fair bit out, isn't it? So there's two adjustment points. I think probably we need to get the quiescent current a bit closer before. No, we'll do the midpoint voltage first because we don't want to mess up the voltage. So this is on this adjustment point here. Try to do it one-handed. So we're looking at this, and we need 8.85. So the wrong way. Always the same, isn't it? Yeah, quite a bit out, that. There we go, 8.85. Now, has this made any difference here? No, it's actually dropped it. So the next bit, and this is the hardest one of all to do. I hate doing these really, but can you see just in here where this orange wire is? That's connected to the wiper of this wire wound resistor. Now, these are very delicate and they're a pain in the backside, so I need to be very careful sliding this across, but I've got to slide that around till I get the right reading. Even just moving it there with my screwdriver has messed the reading up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sliding that one. I'm going to use something non-metallic. I'll see if I can get it with this. See if I can slide it up with this. So this is our reading at the moment. It's actually nothing for some reason. Just push it that way a bit, see if that makes any difference. Yeah, that's not good. This has probably got to come this way. No, still nothing. Three. 4.2, 4.5, so we can achieve it. Very often these get damaged. The wires get broken. 4.2, that's pretty good. We've gone up slightly high on our voltage there. So you need to pop that voltage back a minute. Let's drop that back to, that's only half a volt, but it can make a difference to the quiescent current. So 4.2. I have sprayed this with switch cleaner as well, so 3.9. Yeah, it's very, very finicky. Yeah. Okay, I think what I'm going to have to do to that is turn the radio off, give it some more switch cleaner, and just move that wiper up and down, because I mean, look, it's up near 7 milliamps at the moment. We don't want that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get some switch cleaner, spray it in there, and I'm going to move that wiper up and down. Difficult to see in there, really. But the wiper is, if I move these two transistors out of the way, you might be able to see better. Just in there, just there. Just see the wiper there, look. It's got a bit of red paint on it, so you can see where it was. It was right over here. Now I've moved it up higher, but you can see the wire wound piece. If I zoom right in, you probably just about make out the wires there. It looks like it's something toothed, but that is the wires of the resistor. So bear with me. I'm going to give that a squirt, give it a work up and down, and see if we can get a bit of stable reading. Oh, I was just going to say I've done that. So I've done that, so hopefully it'll be a bit more stable now. Let's just push it back a little bit. Giving it a go with deoxit. I'm just going to squeeze a little tiny bit more out my deoxit can. I can't get it to move now. It's typical now. But yeah, it's not anywhere near as scratchy as it was. So 3.4. Squeeze it a little bit more. 3.6, much more stable. Right, let's get because this has changed again. They are interactive, so you have got to go back and forth. So let's see if we can get this one to 8.85. So we're going that way. So 3.7, so it needs to go a fraction more. It's very difficult to get these to go a fraction. See, 4.5 now. Back the other way. 4.1. Now that's gone up to 8.89. We need to get this quiescent current right though, because this really affects the sound of the amplifier, and it'll also contribute to battery drain if it's not right. I'm just trying to move it a fraction, and there we go, it's gone too far again. Okay. Okay, 4.1, let's just give that a wiggle. .1. Move it back and back again. Okay, that's pretty much there. So we're a little bit high here again, so let's take that back. I'll tell you what, it's finicky this. It could do with one of their multi-turn pots really. There we go, 8.85 and 4. How about that? Absolutely bang on. So I've got to reseal that slider now, just put some nail varnish on it, and that's it, job done. Thanks for watching.